At some point in our West Coast swing journey, we might discover a move, or maybe we might even invent a move. So my question to you is this move legit? And I'll explain why in a second. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Let's look at it from the other side. And this, Megan showed it to me. Her student Tom. Well, you tell this story.
So Tom likes to play around, and every once in a while, spaghetti sticks against a wall with a
So
move.
here is what the move is. First things first, let's build it from the ground up. It's a passing tuck, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. But then it includes an elbow catch, which we've taught before here on the channel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we accelerate this and 5, and 5, and we catch this elbow 6, and then we can spin this 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Let's look at that part because that's the biggest key to the move.
It is.
And I actually followed this first. Megan led me through it, and I discovered I thought it was cool. So we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So from here I accelerate and 5, and 5, and I'm gonna catch that elbow 6, and then inside turn. How to practice that elbow catch? Because we've taught this a lot. Pull this hand up, rotate, 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 rotate. At this point, I drop my elbow in so I could connect early, and that's what leads the catch to lead her back out. But here's the wrinkle that Tom figured out, discovered, invented. Who knows?
Or, by accident, who knows?
You're going to tell us below if this is legit. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Then he put Megan on this foot, catching this hand. 7 and 8, anchor step. Megan led me through it the first try, and I am a terrible follower. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and West Coast Swing is super fun, but let's face it, it gets complicated fast. That's why we created our free West Coast Swing ebook to give you access to all the answers in one place. You can grab it in the description below or the QR code right here. 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. And one wrinkle, we're going to do it from this side here that Megan said she likes best because I was grabbing like we do when we're new. We just start grabbing to try to make the move happen. But the key that Megan said felt cool as the follower, obviously the catch. Put her on that foot. I deliver her to the right foot. She connects in. Notice that rotation by Megan so she can triple step and anchor step. And I should be able to stay. Leaders, if you're struggling with timing, right, you can dance this in straight triples with no acceleration. Let's see if we can do it straight triples. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10.
That's hard.
That is the way, if you kept it in straight timing, that's the way you do it. So comment down below if you think that move's legit, and I'm gonna ask you to do something that I never ask you to do. Hit the subscribe button. Most of you guys who watch aren't subscribed. We're at like 62K subscribers. I would love to get 100K one day, so subscribe below. That's all I'm asking you to do. See you on the dance floor soon.